Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執少 Joseph Lin. And today I'm going to talk about something I love doing when I have time, and that's going to a restaurant. 其实呢，台湾的美食真的太多了。不管是台湾自己的美食，或者是异国料理，真的好多。
好吃的东西都在这。
Delicious stuff. So let's teach people phrases that you would use when you go to a restaurant. 我们教大家去餐厅时候呢会用到的一些词汇。好了
OK.
Yeah. 第一个就是 restaurant 啦，就是餐厅。
串堂。
串堂，好像什么大堂那种感觉哈。串堂
是串堂。
串堂。
那海陆腔串烫。
川烫啊，马上就一定要吃，教人家怎么煮菜了，
不是啦，串烫。
Wow, it sounds like a cooking process already. 串烫 again, that's a different dialect for saying restaurant. Okay, 你想去哪家餐厅呢 ？Okay, which restaurant do you want to go to? How do you say that?
你想去哪间串堂？
你想去哪间串堂？Okay, that means which restaurant would you like to go to? All right. Now, when you're at the restaurant, you're gonna order. Okay, 到了餐厅就是要点餐了。点餐怎么说呢？
点餐。
点餐。Okay, that means making an order. 我要点1号餐，因为有一些不管是素食店啦，或者有一些简餐店，
直接用号码。
对，它直接用号码了。When you go to a fast food restaurant or certain restaurants, they have combo sets or whatnot, and you might want to say, "I want combo number 1." 然后我要点1号餐。
我要点1號餐。
我要點1號餐。Again, that means I want to order meal number 1 or set number 1. 那去餐厅呢，有的时候是内用，有的时候会外带。Okay, when you go to the restaurant, you might want to dine in or take out. Okay, 内用 dine in 怎么说？
內用。
內用 Okay, that means dining in, or you want to carry out.
外帶。
外帶 Okay, that means taking it out, carry out. Let's make a sentence, very simple sentence. I want to dine in or I want to carry out. How do you say that as a full sentence? 我想内用。
我想內用。
我想內用 Okay, that means I want to dine in, or if I want to carry out, 我想外帶就是我想
外帶。
外帶就這樣子 Okay, I want to carry out. And there you have it. Simple terms associated with ordering at a restaurant. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子誰張來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.